Alright guys, Tony here, and I saw somebody asking in the Facebook group for Lead Blaster about the last webinar replay. So basically what I'll do is I will just do a sort of minified version of this, and I will make this only about 5 or 10 minutes just to cover the basics of what the actual training was. And it was really talking about a sort of new angle to affiliate marketing using Chrome extensions, okay, because Chrome extensions, as we know, they can rank really well. But what I did is I went and found some examples of other people using this, and I've seen this over the years multiple times, not huge amounts of times, not every single product launch, but from time to time I will go and do reverse engineering on things like product launches to see where those affiliates are actually getting their backlinks from, where they're getting their traffic from, etc. And the reason I do that is because it gives me ideas that maybe I can build a tool that we can sell, or we can build a tool that we can use for that particular purpose, or we can build a tool maybe even to offer as a bonus for an affiliate marketing promotion, etc. So I'm always curious about that kind of thing coming from an SEO sort of background, you know, where people are getting traffic from, what is ranking very well. For example, medium.com ranks really well, and all the affiliates for these product launches from JVZoo and Warrior Plus, they pretty much all understand that right now, and they're competing for rankings, and they're probably mostly all using medium.com in some form or another, whether it's being used as a second tier link or actually as the focus of their promotion. So anyway, one thing that did stand out was the Chrome extensions were ranking as well. Some people were smart enough to try and rank Chrome extensions. So they've got something that looks like this, okay? Very basic here. He's got an image, he's got a call to action, and not a lot of text, okay? Very little text. And that's basically the approach that he's got here. Now let's have a look at this one in here. Learn how to make money online. And again, not a lot of text. He's got some call to actions. And this guy's actually trying to get people to go over to his blog, okay, learn how to make money online, which is not a bad strategy, I guess. But here's the thing about this, learn how to make money online. It seems like a decent keyword, okay? Whether the search volume matches that or not, it seems like a very decent keyword because it's like a commercial intent keyword, like teach me how to make money online. And you can see here, he's position number 20 from this. I mean, if I wanted to rank for the keyword learn how to make money online, and I was doing that with a WordPress post or a WordPress review for a product, for example, then, you know, I think I would need a little bit more content than this. But because that's the power of the Chrome Web Store, these pages rank really well. Now, if we were to do this properly, where we could build an email list so that when people click on install the application, and then when they go to open it, they've got an email gate or email locker there where they have to give us an email. Then we're building a list immediately from people who want to learn how to make money online. That means that also we can go in and we can change from Lead Blaster using the publish via API. We can go and change the offers, the banner ads, anything like that as well, for that kind of sort of keyword phrase, because it's kind of generic, and that makes it more interesting as well, okay? So that's how we can use that. Now, you can also go for really specific product launches, like this one, Commission Cobra review. Okay, so this, I'm not sure what this product is. I know that he did this in 2018, and I also know that he's ranking for this on number 1, okay, just for this Commission Cobra review. Okay, so this is what I found so far, and I'll probably come across more, and I'll just make a list of them and save them for a rainy day for future training, etc. But what you can see here is just the power of the Chrome Web Store, but you have got the ability with Lead Blaster to do so much more, because we can build that SMS list as well, we can build the email list. Everybody who installs one of these, you can send push notifications on Google Chrome too as well. So that's really powerful to be able to do that. Now, imagine you had got in early with some products, okay, that have become like evergreen products, really popular products, products like Lead Pages or Convertri or Webinar Jam or Kartra or Builderall or any of those. Imagine you had got first mover advantage with them. Imagine that you had a cohesive plan to go after these kind of promotions with the intention of building your email list, with your intention of getting in very, very early, with your intention of having good calls to action, even demonstrating some things about the tool, that because you can embed those demo videos, etc. as well. You can even become a second tier affiliate, for goodness sake, for most of these kind of products. And you could have been sitting there on page 1 even before the launch happened, okay, with the power of the Chrome Web Store, and you would probably have just maintained your rankings all the way through. And the reason I know this, and here's a little trick that you can use as well, is that there was a product recently, well, recently, it was about 2 years ago, 3 years ago, maybe longer, from Wilco to create. It was for UpViral. Okay, now UpViral was coming up for a launch, and I had a Google News site at the time, and I thought, let's take some information from the JV page, we'll put it into a blog post and see if we can get rankings for it. And yeah, we got page 1. We were number 1 for a long time with that one. And the reason that worked is because it was a Google News site, and Google News posts can get picked up and syndicated, etc. So it maintained its ranking for a long time. The only thing is I didn't have any sort of call to actions or affiliate links in there, and I wasted an opportunity, because that launch actually went on to do, I think at the time, about $500,000, if I'm not mistaken. So that's the power of what you can do there. Now if you combine like a press release with this, or even just a Google News post that you can get on Fiverr.com, that can take off as well, so that you've got something that can really link back into this one, so you can get a backlinks kind of situation happening. So that's basically what we can do with this. Now if you want to take it further as well, I've got another couple of examples I'll show you. Okay, so I've got this one here that I've been building up. This one is for ClickBank affiliate marketing. I've got a little bit of a lag time because my computer resources are kind of saturated. I've got a whole bunch of Chrome extensions, I've got Camtasia open, etc, etc, and I've got Camtasia actually working in the background there, processing another video. But this one here you can see, ClickBank affiliate marketing checklist, and again we can embed the videos. Again, we can give a lot of really good information. Now I've made this into a very decent resource, okay, so that people can see how to use it. And I've even got a course in here as well. Actually, I've even got a course in here as well, step-by-step course, how you can do affiliate marketing with an affiliate marketing strategy. So it becomes a resource that people might want to come back to, and that means that we can put multiple offers with this, because it's kind of generic affiliate marketing kind of checklist. So it's like affiliate marketing with ClickBank. You can do another one, affiliate marketing with YouTube, for example, another one, affiliate marketing without any website, another one, affiliate marketing with something or whatever. You can find those kind of keywords just using Ubersuggest and just having a look for YouTube and see what people are using, and you know what people are doing content about and what's actually getting viewed, etc. You can get your cues from there. Okay, so that's basically what we can do with this. And we can put in offers, even for dollar trials and stuff like that. You can do all of that kind of stuff in here. So that's one way to use it. Another one I've got is, let's see, this one here. Just wait for it to open. I think it's slowed down because I've got Camtasia processing a video down here. Now this is lifetime marketing deals, okay, lifetime marketing discount deals from sites like AppSumo. This is an AppSumo.com product that's been promoted by them. I have my affiliate link in here, okay, which is basically like a second tier affiliate, but you can get paid 20% from websites like AppSumo. So AppSumo is actually an affiliate for the people who have these products, who want to sell them via AppSumo. AppSumo picks out the very, very best products that it likes, that it can monetize. And basically they're very good at what they do. They know what's going to monetize, they know how to present it, and they do affiliate marketing with it, but they use people like you and me as second tier affiliates as well, where you can get a percentage of the sales. Okay, so that way you're driving a lot more traffic, they get long-term traffic coming into the site that they build an email list from, that they can monetize via email list as well. So it works out pretty well for them, and it can work out well for you as well. Now this is really easy to do because you can update these every single week. AppSumo will have maybe 3 or 4 new deals every week. You can simply come in, put in a section called the latest deals or this week's deals, and you can have that just updated very, very quickly, very, very easily, and it's all done from inside your Lead Blaster app. Once you've got it installed and your Chrome extension installed on the Chrome Store as a developer, you only have to do that one time. Okay, then after that you just come into the Lead Blaster and you just update from there. Just update from API any new ones that you want to put in, any new sections, categories, items, etc. So that's basically what we were covering in that previous webinar that we did a few days ago. So instead of having to sit there and go through all of that, this is just an idea, and I want to take this further. Maybe we can do some case study with this at some point, so you can see this in action, and we can go and pick some products that that look like they could become evergreen. So if you had promoted Webinar Jam or UpViral or Kartra Builder or ClickFunnels, Groove Pages at the very beginning, before everybody else had even looked at it properly, when you saw it was coming up in the jvnotify.com or Munchai.com or those kind of sites, if you had got in early and got that early mover advantage with these kind of pages, and you had nicely optimized this, you could have made a lot of money. Not just a lot of money, but built a massive email list by now with any one of those products. And those kind of products come out all the time. Okay, so we can have a look at how to do that as a strategy as well at some point once we've passed doing the 1000 email opt-in challenge. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover for now. I hope you got some value from this. If you want to give us any feedback, you can do so within the Facebook group. My apologies, I haven't been in there as much as I probably should have. We had to do a launch for Ad Blaster. We're not selling so much Lead Blaster as what we had expected. It probably is because of this pandemic and people losing jobs, etc. So we had Ad Blaster there. We needed to release it because we got bills and stuff. We got staff to pay as well. So we had to quickly go and do the launch for the D-Day, and we had another launch to prepare as well straight after the D-Day, one for the Bing ads, which is basically, the tool is pretty much ready. I've got to do my marketing on that, and we will get that one launched over the next few days for sure, but probably as early as tomorrow from when I'm recording this video. So I will be in that Facebook group. I just need to remember to keep it on my browser and keep it open at all times so that I can keep it just within our group, our Lead Blaster group, and I'm not distracted by other notifications, etc., so that I can see any questions, etc., coming in, and I can post stuff hopefully every day or two at least, something daily, even if it's just to let you know that we're still there. So anyway, that's it. That's all we were really going to cover in that last webinar. We kind of got into the basics of that, but I didn't have these apps here that I found later to use as a demonstration, but this is basically the crux of what we can do. We know the power of the web store, the Chrome Web Store. We know the power of Lead Blaster to be able to build that list. All we need to do is identify the products that we want to go after, and it doesn't have to be affiliate marketing as well. It really doesn't. You could do like 30-day keto diet and just have a generic kind of content marketing kind of app that allows you to sell products from it. Okay, so you're building your list and you can sell products from that list from that. But for affiliate marketing, like product promotions and that are really targeted, there's two ways to do it. You can either go this way, where there's like product name plus review, product name plus demo, whatever. You've got 45 characters to use here. We can probably figure out the best way to use that 45 characters with the product name and then whatever else you come with it. Or you can do the generic, like learn how to make money online, and it doesn't have to be that long. Okay, it can be just something very, very simple, but what we do with it on page is really important. That's what we need to focus on. Okay, thank you for watching.